In this video I'm going to show you how to do the wireless setup of your Epson XP 6000 printer with your Windows computer or laptop. Now first step is to connect the printer with the Wi-Fi network of your home or office. Look for the settings on the control panel and click OK. Scroll down and select network settings, Wi-Fi setup. Select Wi-Fi recommended Wi-Fi setup wizard. It will search for the available networks of your home. Select your network, enter the password and it is connected. Go to your computer or laptop and click on the start button. Click settings, devices, printers and scanners. Click add a printer or a scanner. Add device. Again we have to go and click on the Epson XP series, manage, and here you can see your XP 6000 series printers series. Click on this box and here we can see the scanner. So click on the scanner, open scanner, and it will do the scanning for us. Now you can add the pages for the scanning and we can do the scanning here. Or for printing, simply select any document from your computer and start the printing. So this way we can do the Wi-Fi setup. of your printer using a Windows laptop or a computer. Thanks for watching.